Hello, my name is Julie Caprio, and I'm a ballet teacher in Central New Jersey. When I hear information from Finis, it's so pure. It's so well constructed, it's so thought out, it's scientific, it makes so much sense. Even if he says something and I may not be able to find my body physically doing that yet, or able to do it now at my age of 53, I understand the process, how to break it down, how to teach it. What is different about Finis is that it comes from a place of purity. When coming to his workshops, I don't know anything that is so cleansing and so pure, and that I can get so much from in 2 days. And I feel the same about all of his instruction and his DVDs.
That's great.
And I also think that Finis has, he finds different ways to explain the same thing. And I think what he had told me is that he sometimes finds a new way to explain something, and then he thinks it's better because people seem to understand it, have a better understanding. I don't think it's necessarily changed. I think it's how he maybe puts it out there for more people to grasp. And I find that even for myself at age 53, that I can still go in and take a ballet class, not like when I was 18, but I can still do that. I wake up in the morning and I feel pretty well. And I think I've adopted a lot of things from your dad. I mean, I wake up in the morning and I'm grateful, and I have time for meditation and reflection. And he just encompasses the entire package. Like, it's not just a ballet technique, it's the whole person, and it's the body, it's the mind, it's the spirit. And I think that's what is so beautiful.